Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today we're going to be looking at how we are solving our math on our own. So for this Thursday, Friday, we are going to be doing division and interpreting remainders. That's why we have these anchor charts to reference if you need help remembering our steps. Now, this was available at the front, so if you have the packet, you are submitting your work through ClassDojo. Otherwise, you are working in Kami and submitting it here. Now for me, I know that I need to zoom in a little bit so I have enough space to work. So I'm going to make sure that I am zooming in. That seems like it's enough space. And when I'm done, I'm going to turn in my work. Alright, that's how I'll submit it for a grade. So, today I'm going to be using the drawing tool, the eraser tool when I make a mistake, and the text box tool. Okay? So let's see. Let me start off with drawing. Red is a good color for me to start off with. So Gina has 466 beads to make bracelets. She needs 8 beads to make each bracelet. The question is, how many bracelets can Gina make? So let's see. This is a question about... this a little smaller. So it's a question of, we have 466 beads, right? And I'm taking those beads and I am breaking them apart into equal groups. I'm going to divide them into equal groups, where it's 8 beads per bracelet. Per bracelet. And that will give me what I do not know yet. How many bracelets can she make? How many bracelets can she make? So, I know this is a division problem, so I'm going to go through my steps. So step 1, and I'll need a little bit extra space, I know, from experience. I'm going to need to make my in-out table, my top-bottom chart. So, I'm going to start making an in-out table for my divisor, which here is 8. So, let's see. That means I'm going to be going from 0 to 9, and I'm counting by my divisor, so I count by 8s. So 0 times 8 equals 0. 1 times 8 equals 8. 16, 24, 40, no, I'm sorry, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72. So this is going to help me when I'm trying to divide, because these are my groups, and this is how many beads can I make from each group. So let's see. I'm trying to divide into 8 groups, 4 hundreds, 6 tens. Oh no. Every so often we make a mistake, and that's okay. So 6 tens and 6 ones. So let's see how many groups of 8 I can make with 4. Well, 4 is greater than 0, but less than 8. So I can only make 0 groups. I do not have enough for even one group of 8. So I can make 0 groups, which will use 0 beads. And after I made those 0 groups, well, I will still have 4 groups of beads left over. So my 4 hundreds becomes 40 tens. And now I have 46 groups that I need to break up. Okay, so with 46, well, that's greater than 40, but less than 48. So the most I can make is 5 groups. So with 5 groups, I will use up 40 groups of beads, which means I will have 6 left over. Those 6 10s become 60 1s. So now I have 66. Okay, now 66 is greater than 64, but less than 72, so I have enough to make 8 groups. I have enough to make 8 groups, which will use up 64 of my beads, which means I will have 2 left over. So my answer here is 58, remainder 2. But now, what is the meaning of the remainder? So, let's think. 58 was going to be my answer. So I have 58 bracelets, but my remainder is always part of my total that I was trying to break apart. So I have 52 bracelets. I'm sorry, not 52. 58 bracelets. And 2 is how many beads I have left over. I still have 2 beads left over. So this is where we have to think. I can make 58 total bracelets, and I have 52 total bracelets, and I have 2 beads left. What is important for how many bracelets Gina can make? Do I need to use all of my beads? Should I make 1 more bracelet even though it will only have 2 beads? Do I only need to make full bracelets? Is that what Gina wants? Only full bracelets? Or is the question asking me how many beads she has left over? Well, I know it's not asking me how many beads is left over, so my answer will not be 2. And if I think about it, it's okay if Gina has some leftover beads. What she wants is full bracelets, which means I will drop my remainder. I'm only interested in 58 bracelets. So that means when I come to my griddable, here's my decimal. I will write in 5 10s, 8 1s, and fill in 58. Excellent. So that is our first question completed. Now when I'm done finishing all 4 problems, I will turn in my work. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck.